recipes from a small kitchen where everything is easy to make and delicious to eat. Guys, I hope you're doing very well today, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be sharing with you an appetizer slash snack slash lunch idea with you. We're going to be making quesapizza, which is basically quesadilla and pizza smashed or married together to make this amazing, addictive food or recipe. Now, I hope you guys can enjoy this recipe. Now let's get started with the ingredients. Okay guys, so what I have here is whole wheat flour tortillas. You're also going to be needing pepperoni. I have here turkey pepperoni, tomato or pasta sauce, as well as mozzarella cheese. Now what you want to do is you want to heat your first tortilla on medium heat on a skillet, and you're also going to add the tomato sauce. With a spoon, you want to smear it all over. After the tomato sauce, you want to sprinkle in the mozzarella cheese. Very delicious and super easy recipe idea. After the cheese, we're going to be adding our turkey pepperoni one by one. As you can see, already it looks like a pizza, but we're going to add the other flour tortilla on top of it because we want to make quesadilla. After that, we're going to flip it over. Just be careful you don't mess everything up or drop the ingredients. And we're going to toast it on the other side as well. In the meantime, we're going to be adding tomato sauce again on top of the tortilla. And again, we're going to be adding mozzarella cheese on top. And then our turkey pepperoni. How good, guys, does this look? After that, we are done. We're just going to serve it. I like to cut it into 4 pieces. And that's it, guys. You have a super quick, super delicious snack or lunch idea. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.